Hey guys, I'm Dipankar, and in this video I'm going to talk about the potential solutions of the issue when the touchscreen of iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus stops responding. When the touchscreen of the device is not working, you cannot unlock the device because it requires adding the passkey, and you cannot restart the device because whenever you will try to restart the device, it will ask you to slide to power off. So in both cases, you cannot do anything because the touchscreen of the device is not responding. So in that case, you can try this method. Just press this sleep or wake up button and this home button for around 10 seconds. And when you will see the Apple logo, just release all those buttons. And this process is called force restart of iPhone. Once the iPhone has been restarted, most probably you will see the touch screen working again. In my case, it started working in the first restart, but few users reported that they had to restart the device for more than one. So you can try this method for up to 3 times. If after force restarting your iPhone you cannot see the touchscreen working, then you can try the other ways. Other way of fixing the problem is to either upgrade the iOS version. As you can see that my iPhone is running on the latest version, but if your iPhone is running on the lower version, you can upgrade to the higher version of iOS, or you can also restore the iPhone. In most of the cases, if your iPhone was locked, you will not be able to connect to the iTunes even on your system. In that case, you will have to try the recovery mode and then restore your phone. In that case, you will lose all the data in your smartphone. This is why it is recommended to keep the weekly backup of your phone to avoid these kind of issues. So these were the only methods you can try from your end for the troubleshooting of the touchscreen issue. If you are still facing the problem, you will have to contact the Apple support. Thanks for watching this video.